Hello my lovelies, welcome back to another easy video. Today we're making a delicious recipe. It's a dessert called Plátanos de Gloria, so come along. We're going to start off by peeling 2 ripe plantains and then cutting them into 3. Next, we're going to place a saucepan over medium-high heat and pour in about 3 to 4 cups of water. Next, we're going to add in 1 stick of cinnamon and about 6 cloves. Remember that if you're using more than 2 plantains, then you'll need more cloves and more cinnamon sticks. We're going to follow up by adding half a cup of sugar, and we're going to make sure that we stir everything really well. We want to make sure that the sugar starts to dissolve. Once our mixture starts to bubble up and our sugar starts to dissolve, we're going to add in our plantains one by one. We're then going to add another half cup of sugar and we're going to stir everything together, making sure that each plantain is well coated with the mixture. Once it starts to boil, we're going to reduce the heat, place a lid on it, and allow it to simmer. We're going to allow the plantains to cook for roughly 30 minutes. During these 30 minutes, every 10 minutes, we're going to flip the plantains, making sure that everything cooks evenly. I'm going to take a spoon and I'm going to bathe one by one, and then afterwards I'm going to take a fork and see how tender they are. At this point, the sugar-water mixture should have a thick, syrupy consistency. 30 minutes is the estimate time, but the fork test will determine whether we need a little bit more time or a little bit less. And voila, we have our delicious sweet and soft Plátanos de Gloria. I want to thank everybody for watching this video today. Please subscribe and I'll be back with some more fun. Bye-bye.